As a college student, you are a scholar in training. You're learning how to do research at the academic level. In fact, you're joining an ongoing scholarly conversation among experts who are creating new knowledge every day. This is an exciting and challenging process, and there are a few things you need to know as you get started. First, college research is different from high school research. In high school, you probably focused on writing reports. You summarized what other people had written and then reported it back to your teacher. For college research projects, your instructors will expect you to go beyond just reporting. You'll need to explore multiple perspectives on a topic and combine it with your own insights in order to create new knowledge, solve a problem, or analyze a controversy. Second, scholarship is an ongoing conversation among experts. Experts in chemistry, medicine, psychology, and other academic disciplines are constantly creating new knowledge in their fields of expertise. They do this by conducting research studies, presenting their discoveries at professional conferences, and publishing their findings in scholarly publications called journals. In their journal articles, they cite the work of other scholars. They agree with some and challenge others, giving evidence for their claims. In their concluding paragraphs, they often recommend that their fellow scholars do further research to build on what they have just done. This is how the scholarly conversation keeps moving along. And finally, you are invited to join the conversation. Now you may be wondering, if the scholarly conversation happens among experts with doctoral degrees and extremely specialized knowledge, where do you fit in? Well, as a college student, you are not yet an expert in any academic field, but you are still invited to join the scholarly conversation. You do this through your research papers and other research projects. But how is this like a conversation? Well, remember how scholars cite other people's research in their articles? You will do the same in your own writing. For instance, in an English class, you'll write an argumentative essay. After informing yourself on a controversial topic, you'll take a position on the issue and write a thesis or purpose statement. Then you will read multiple perspectives and write out your own argument, citing the sources that you disagree with as well as those that give evidence for your point of view. By the way, citing your sources is not just a way to avoid plagiarism. Through careful citation, you show your readers how to find your information sources, and in doing so, you help them to learn from your research, just like the experts do for their readers. Sharing sources is a critical part of the scholarly conversation. So here are a few tips for you as you begin the adventure of college research. Seek perspectives that are different from your own, so that you can learn from them and challenge them in your writing. Rather than just reporting on what others have said, focus on adding your own voice to the discussion. Find sources that give evidence for your point of view, and cite your sources carefully. And finally, remember that you're not alone in this. Seek help from your instructors, from the librarians, and at the Writing Center. We're here to help you succeed.
Created using Powtoon.